Wait, we introduce ourselves?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, Riley here with Captain's Preferred Products.
Hey, I'm Nick with Captain's Preferred Products.
We're doing a Founders Q&A today.
Captain's Preferred Products started, I was detailing boats and realized that there wasn't really a lot of great options to go buy marine accessories or boat cleaning products. And the places that were open, they were very expensive. So we realized there was a place to be in the market, and that's kind of how we started.
I think, one of the things that really sets us apart is our customization on the brush heads, that we can do any logo that you send us, and it just personalizes your brush heads to where they fit for you.
The biggest thing that sets us aside is our customer service. We take the top priority in that to make sure that all of our customers have all their needs taken care of and that they're satisfied at the end of the day.
One fishing lesson that I've learned the hard way is that the hooks just don't care. They will get in you. That's a fact.
My most memorable day on the water was actually this past January. We caught a 101-pound wahoo, and that was definitely a great day to look back on.
My favorite day was my first time catching a blue marlin. It was a couple years back, and we had the whole family on the boat, and it was just a great experience for everybody.
Well, we can't say that.
Yeah, I can't say that.
Before Captain's Preferred Products even started, we found ourselves on the water, whether it was at the sandbar or fishing. So I feel like we made the products that we would actually use on our boats, and that's why I think that we represent ourselves as made by boaters, used for boaters. I feel like the biggest thing is even when we're not at work, we're working. Whether me and Riley are sitting down at the dinner table just talking, it's always about work. I feel like the work never ends, which is a great thing.
Yeah, along with that, I think just having a family business, it involves a family. We're a family that fishes all the time, so we're around it, and we just get to see the products get used, and it's great.
I was headed to a meeting in North Carolina, and I pulled into the marina, and there was a random boat there with our brush heads on it, and that was super cool just to see. We didn't know the boat owner, we didn't know the boat, but just to see one of our brush heads in North Carolina on a boat, that was such an awesome feeling.
Yeah, and I'd have to tag along with Nick on that. Even seeing our stuff on social media, like in TikToks and stuff like that, like seeing our products out and about in places that maybe we've never been or we don't even know the people that own our products, that's just the coolest part to us.